Welcome back, guys. In this session, we're going to be going over the project widget. The project widget is used to manage personal tasks. Those are tasks that have been assigned to you by either a superior staff or by yourself. The permission for this widget depends on you having the project widget. Without the project widget, team members cannot delete tasks, they cannot assign tasks to other team members, and they cannot change the deadline that was imputed into the task when it was created. So if I do not have, let me reiterate. So if I do not have the project widget, I cannot delete a task, I cannot assign it to other team members, and I cannot change the deadlines of a task. Well, I can do that because I do have the project widget over here. So let me show you how to manage your task. So in the to-do session over here, you have three sessions. You have the to-do session, you have the in progress, and you have the done tasks. So in the to-do session, I can filter my task by their priorities. So I do have the high priority task, the low priority tasks, and the medium priority tasks. So this gives me some kind of format of the task that needs my attention immediately. So I can also filter by deadline. So over here, so that means I need to do this task in the next 24 hours. And these are the tasks that do not have a deadline. Let me add a deadline to the Facebook ads. So open our edit. Okay. Let's say I want to do the Facebook ads today. Then I can publish. Let me add a tag. Ads. Then publish. So you can see over here, that means I need to do this task immediately, today or in the past. So this gives me a timeline of how I should work. So it tells me, okay, this is a task that need my attention right away. These are the tasks that need my attention in the next 24 hours. These are the tasks. If I do have a task over here, it tells me the ones that need my attention this week, that's in the next 7 days, this month, in the future, and the tasks that do not have a deadline. So I can also filter by schedule. With the schedule, I do not have any task scheduled. So let me change that. Okay, let me add a schedule to this. Oh, I'm deleting it. Schedule. Okay, let me schedule the task for today. So that means I need to do this task almost immediately. And there is an alert over here that tells me one task deadline is due, and one scheduled task needs my attention. So and I can see this by filtering by schedule. This task needs my attention, and by deadline this task need my attention. And I can move the progress of task. So for example, if I want to start the Facebook ads, I can move it from to do to in progress, and this change will appear in the project widget. It's going to notify my superiors that I've started this task, and when I'm done, I can move it to the done stage, and I can filter all my done tasks by coming over here and clicking on this, so I can see the details of the tasks. So with this, if I'm collaborating with, let's say I'm working on the Google Ads and I've started it. If I'm collaborating with 2 or more team members. So with this, I'm collaborating with Chuck Norris. I can send Chuck Norris attachments. If I've completed, maybe I've created a Google Ads, I can notify Chuck Norris of the changes that okay, I've created Google Ads, and I can send him a message. That's hello Chuck. Done with the Google uh, account. This message will be delivered to Chuck Norris. Let me show you. Let me show you this. You can see it tells. You can see Ibrahim Olayinka moved a task to in progress. Then when I do check these activities logs, I'm going to see other changes that have happened. Moved the task from priority. Let me see the message. Oh, the message has not been delivered. I think it just got delivered. Okay. There's a network issue over here. Well, if there was no network issue, the message should be delivered. Let me send myself a message back. It was from which task? Google Ads, yes. Here's the network issue. But without the network issue, I should be able to see all the activities that my collaborators have done on the task by clicking the collaborators activity logs. Then I can see all the recent activities. I can filter the activities by the comments, by checklist, by attachments, and by status. Status means the changes that have happened to a task, either by moving from the backlog to do in progress or done. Okay, thank you very much for your time.